Welcome to Travel Town. In this video, we'll explore the art of resource management and how to thrive in this exciting environment. Let's dive into the core principles of resource management. Understanding these will set you up for success in Travel Town. Gathering resources is essential. Learn how to efficiently gather and allocate them to boost your town's growth. Strategic planning is crucial for expansion. Identify key areas for development to maximize your resource output. It's vital to maintain a balance between supply and demand. Too much of one or the other can jeopardize your town's economy. Cultivating sustainable production is key. Here are some tips to ensure your resources are renewable and efficient. Challenges will arise. Here's how to navigate them and optimize your resource use effectively. Utilize the in-game tools and features to get a better handle on your resource management and town needs. Let's examine some case studies of successful players and their resource management strategies. Learn from the best. In conclusion, mastering resource management will enhance your travel town experience. What future trends do you foresee in resource management?